Okay, here's a quick video for reviewing your waitlist and adding an authorization for a student on your waitlist. Sometimes students will reach out to you and email you and say, hey, can I please add your course? I'm on your waitlist. You can also just look in your waitlist here under the drop down and you can see all of the students that have added your class to their waitlist. They're not in order, so you can see that number one, the first student who added is here at the top, but then it jumps to different numbers. The second student is actually way down here. So you can take a look at that, review their information. And if you're looking for a specific student who's requesting, you can find their name. And you can get their name and grab their student ID. So I'm going to grab this one. And then I just copied and I'm going to paste that over here in the course authorization. So back into the same section I was reviewing. Click on add a new authorization and I just have her ID. So I'm going to put that there and search and it's going to find, and I'm just going to make sure that's the same name from my list, which it is. And there's a couple of different ways to do an authorization, but usually for what we've been doing is if we're wanting to add more than the capacity, then it's going to be a capacity authorization with instructor approval to add. And then this button will send an email to that student. They'll still need to register once they're authorized. This just gives them permission to do that. And then you'd click add authorization at that point when you're ready to add that student. So that's how that works.